After prime numbers, there is another thing, that is co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers means from the factors of prime numbers, there should be only one digit common, that is 1. For example, here given are two numbers, that is 2 and 3. So we have to write the factors of 2, that is 1 and 3, and then we have to write the factors of 3, that is 1 and 3. So which factors are common from these two? Only 1 is common. So if there are factors of any two numbers and only one is their common factor, so then they are called co-prime numbers. Here is another example of 9 and the number 16. The factors of 9 are given over here, then the factors of 16 are also given over here, and the 1 is only common one, so that is also known as the co-prime numbers. Here is a magic way for showing you the prime numbers. One is that you have to do this activity at your home on your books as well. For step 1, you have to follow these steps. You should not color the cell containing the number 1. You should not color this one. Okay. The second thing is 2 is a prime number. Except 2 itself, color all cells containing multiples of 2. What are the multiples of 2? You have to color, just not color the number 2, but color the factors of 2. They are 4, 2 ones are 2. You just have to fill the colors in the boxes. 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 7s are 14, and up to so on, all the factors of 2. Okay, you just have to do coloring into that. After this one, you have to follow the step 3. 3 is a prime number. Except coloring in the box of the 3, you have not to color in the number 3. Do not color in the box of 3, but just color in all the factors, that are all the multiples of 3, that is 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, like this. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, and up to so on. Now the fourth step is 5 is a prime number. Except for the 5 itself, color after making the color, you have to follow the step 3. Step 3, you have to color in the number of 3 in the fact. Now you have to color in the factor in the multiples of 3, that is 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and up to so on. For step 4, you have to do the thing, that is you have to fill in the color of all the boxes except 5. Not fill in the color of 5. You have to fill in other boxes, that is 10, 15, 20, 25, and up to so on. For step 5, you have to do the thing. It's up to you. You choose different colors or the same colors. You have to fill in the colors of multiples of 7, that is, but do not color in the box of 7, that is 14, 21, 28, and up to so on. After doing this all, you can see your chart. Look at the chart again and write down the numbers which have been left uncolored. How many such numbers are there altogether? All the numbers which are colored are called composite numbers because many of them were colored again and again. And all the numbers left uncolored are called prime numbers because they have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Now you can make the list of these numbers. Now come for the composite numbers. What are composite numbers? All other numbers except this one have 3 or more different factors. The numbers that have 3 or more different factors, they are called composite numbers. Composite means made up of several or many different parts. they are called composite numbers. We can say that if a number can be divided exactly by the numbers other than 1 and the number itself, it is called the composite numbers. You can say the number which have 3 or more than 3 factors is known as composite numbers. After doing this, you are able to solve the question number 1 from exercise 2b. You are able to solve the question number 2 from exercise 2b. You are able to solve the question number 3 from exercise 2b, that is on your page number 27. After solving this, we will step forward. So your today's task is till this.